All right, can't wait to share this what we bought God story. It really is a God story. I won't get into all the details, but it was amazing. So this is an overview of our house, what we purchased, an aerial, a 1 acre lot, which is awesome. The photos coming here are the real estate photos. So this is the living room. And again, this is what the agent took to sell this house, and that is another angle of that living room. Again, people who lived in this home were there for 50 years, but they took good care of it. But as you can see, some of the things are outdated, as well as the carpet. And this is now the dining room, and we still now have it back as a dining room. This is the kitchen. We haven't remodeled that yet. And when I say yet, I'm actually doing this recording after the fact. We've been in this place for over a year now. Here's the bathroom layout. We have since remodeled and updated that, but just a regular small bathroom. This is one of the bedrooms. We actually now, that is Lucas's room. Lucas and Lucy will probably stay in there together in the future. This is what is considered, I guess, a bonus room in the eyes of the real estate world. We currently have this as a nursery, and those stairs go up to a loft room that we converted to Kelly and I's bedroom. Another angle of that room, which it's actually probably 10 by 12 or something like that, that room. So this room up here is that loft room. It's about 400 square feet. We've since closed off one set of the stairs, but well maintained, had great carpet in it. It's kind of like a second story room, but think room above garage is the best description of that. This moves into the granny flat, and that was one of the prerequisites of us purchasing this house. We wanted a space that we could rent out, so this is the original layout. This is a different angle looking into the kitchen of the granny flat, as well as the entrance door to that. I'll show you the bathroom here. This is a great room, great bathroom, great size. Again, we've since updated this. So a great 850 square foot granny flat. Here is an outside picture of the garage. That door actually leads to that loft bedroom that I was describing. And here's some of the pictures of the grounds. This is looking back towards the house. This house came with a lot of ivy, as you can see there, but I've since taken that down, kind of working our way around the house. An avocado tree there, which is nice. And then this is if you were kind of standing up on the house looking eastward, kind of our view. Doesn't really do it justice, and since we've opened up things a little bit, we can see even better. One of the pecan trees of our house, which is awesome, and to the right there, that's a huge avocado tree. And then this is a breezeway. These are pictures I've taken myself, not the real estate agent showcase high def pictures, but this is a breezeway looking back towards the granny flat, bouncing back towards the main part of the house. This is the dining room after the sellers have moved out, so old carpet. So we kind of, again, this is a fixer-upper, and was a fixer-upper, is a fixer-upper. We love it, but ripped up the carpets here and restored the floors. But again, another dining room picture, an old light hanging from the ceiling we since removed, carpet everywhere, carpet leading, quote-unquote, a hallway into the two bedrooms. We've also since taken actually in the bedrooms, they left the hardwood floor exposed. And again, 50 years, 70-year home, hardwood flooring, but in great shape, which is nice. And I can't wait to show you guys what we're going to do with those hardwood floors. And then moving up to that upstairs loft room, again, about 405 square feet, just things removed from that. So this is what we bought, which is awesome. This is the granny flat. Everything's taken out. I was trying to get an idea of if I could put an island in there, and kind of using that table as a reference point. Old school wood paneling walls, which is awesome. Brought back a lot of memories of my childhood. some more angles of the granny flat, and just empty, which is great. But again, this is what we bought, but we're excited about it. Excited about updating this granny flat so we can share our space with a tenant, which will be awesome. More pictures there. Next is these are the stairs. So on the upstairs loft, they're connected on both sides, but we've got a lot of plans to do with that. But one of the cool things where we weren't 100% sure, but as soon as I ripped up the carpet, noticed and realized that there was hardwood floors all through this house. So excited about what we have our hands on. Definitely stay tuned for upcoming videos on how we remodel the Hilltop Casa.